Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to FX Billionaire Hub, and in this video we're gonna analyze the market for the next week. That means next Monday to Friday, and we are going to break down the market trends, support and resistance zone, and other key levels to find out our proper entry, our path, our direction from the market. Okay, as per you know that we already posted our analysis in last week, and that was bullish momentum. That means market will move bullish. We say that or we told that, and exactly that is happened from the market. And in this week we also going to break down the market, and we will find out our entry, our market direction for the next week. And as per our trading style, we have to start our analyzing with higher time frame, then we will slowly going for lower time frame to find out our market direction or market path or market entry. And if I want to show you weekly time frame or weekly time frame candle or weekly movement, as you can see there, from long time ago market just trying to follow by direction. That means market is moving bullish. Maybe we're gonna see another bullish momentum or another all-time high zone in next week, and as per you know that that was our all-time high zone, and maybe it will reach another all-time high again and again. And as per you can see there, let me draw a support area to find out our zone or path or direction. As you can see there, that particular area was our key support area, and last week market was given a broken level from there to there, and again it just strike a breakout from this resistance becomes support level, and market is moving bullish rapidly from last week. And if I want to go for daily time frame analysis, and if I especially want to show you the daily momentum or daily candle, and as you can see there, if I want to draw the trend line, as you can see there, that is our support trend line. And if I want to draw a resistance trend line for the daily momentum or daily time frame, as you can see there, market just give us a bullish breakout from there, again retest this trend line, that means support trend line, and giving us a bullish momentum or bullish movement. That means there is already a breakout from the bullish side, and market is ready to fly again. And there is two thing to declare, that any uncertainty of geopolitical issues or any uncertainty of trade deal means bullish momentum. Okay, bullish momentum of market, and any sustainability or any stability means sell. Okay, that means bearish momentum. If there any decision comes with uncertainty, like there is a trade where US and China, and there is geopolitical issues or war issues in Middle East or Russia Ukraine, that means buy for gold. And is there is any case where or anything happened on the world, or Chinese and US or Donald Trump's any agreement signed, that means sell for gold. Okay, this is two key factor for fundamentally you have to keep your concern on that two factor also. Okay, so let's get back into each 4 time frame to find out our direction or path from the market. And as you can see there, as per our analysis, what is next momentum or what is next movement, as you can see that there is also a support area or support zone. So what we need to do for next, or what we can do in Monday. Okay, from my view or from the trend line breakout strategy, there is already a breakout, then we have to wait for pullback, and we need to wait till that particular support area, then we can consider a buy entry from this particular area, but no entry right now. We have to wait till market open. After market open, if market come back into our support zone on this trend line area, then we can consider a buy entry from there due to breakout trading strategy. Okay, and also there is a triangle flag pattern. Okay, triangle flag pattern also, market is started to fly up. Due to our triangle flag pattern, market will move bullish in that case or in that situation. And let's remove all of them, and let's get back into H1 time frame to check or to see what is happening or what is going to happen. For H1 time frame, we have a support area, particular support area around that particular zone. Okay, we have a support area, that particular zone. So already one time just breakout and pull back over there, then market is trying to go up. That means there is clear sign to go up market, and you can take entry in that particular zone or in that particular area, because SL is too much big here. And if you want to take any buy entry over there, you have to wait till that particular area, then we can consider a buy. SL could be there 50 pips. Okay, our TP should be 150 pips. That means 1:3 risk reward ratio. If you want to take your SL 50 pips, then you have to take your TP 150 pips within 1:3 risk reward ratio. This is the fundamental, or this is the technical thing. And if I want to see, or if I want to show the momentum over here, as you can see there is 3 black arrows to go up. That means market can go up from that particular area, but this is not a perfect entry point. We have to wait to set a proper SL. That means if we take entry over here, you have to set SL a long way. That means there is 4301 and there's 4248. That means 500 pips SL. So we can take 500 pips SL as per our trading style. We have to wait till that particular area, then we can consider a buy entry after the candle confirmation. That means after we get a buying confirmation like that candle, okay, like that one also. Okay, so you can consider buy entry. And you must, Mr. Boom, what is strategy for scalper? What we can do if we are scalper? So as per you can see there is smaller time frame selected, and for a scalper, if I want to draw our support area or particular support area and that particular zone, and if you want to draw a triangle zone over here, if you get a buying confirmation over there, then you can take a scalping buy entry in that trend line zone or in that tendril area. And if you want to play safe, then you have to wait for this particular area, and if you get any buy confirmation candle, then you can consider a buy entry. That means the safe area is this particular zone or area to take buy entry. Okay, I'm not considering sell right now because market is very volatile right now, and there is economic uncertainty and other issues. That's why we have to consider buying. Okay, and one more thing, if there anything fundamentally comes, that means settlement about US and China, settlement about Russia and Ukraine, then we can consider selling. And for selling, we have to wait for the breakout, then we will wait for pullback, then we can consider a sell entry, breakout after a pullback after breakout, then we can consider sell entry over there. Our TP should be there 150 pips, our SL should be 150 pips. This is the theory from the Mr. Boom, and I hope all things is clear now, and there is no buying or selling right now, and we can consider any buying and selling right now. We have to wait till the market open, then we can consider buy or sell entry depending on our strategy. And we are sharing a lot of analysis, fundamental or technical things into our Telegram channel. So if you want to get real-time data update and real-time analysis from us, you may join our public Telegram channel, t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, link in the video description box. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.